What the world religious leaders have said about COVID-19 vaccine. From the Australian Baptist Ministries, global Baptist leaders unite in signing of government petition. As the number of COVID-19 cases surpasses the 100 million marks, the Baptist World Alliance is issuing a call to Baptists around the world to stand together in combating this global pandemic. We acknowledge the solidarity shared by the millions of Baptists and non-Baptists alike in the face of the suffering caused by COVID-19 global pandemic. We also recognize our responsibility to participate in the solution to this crisis. The fourfold action plan includes 1. Calling for the cooperation of governments to support systems of coordinated mass vaccination and enhance access to vaccination through aid and economic innovations. 2. Urging Baptists globally to participate in enabling global vaccination. Number 3, rejecting untrue stories about vaccination and asking Baptists and all people of goodwill to do so as well. And number 4, issuing a clarion call for equal access to available COVID-19 vaccines globally. We stand together both in prayerful lament for the many who have been impacted by this disease, but also in a hopeful expectation that we can make a difference in the lives of the most vulnerable by choosing equity and justice at this crucial time, said Elijah Brown, BWA General Secretary. The Dalai Lama, Tibet's spiritual leader, urged the world to be brave and get vaccinated after he was vaccinated with the coronavirus vaccine in the northern Indian town of Dharamshala. In September 2021, Pope Francis urges people to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Pope Francis launches a powerful appeal for people to get vaccinated with approved COVID-19 vaccines, calling it an act of love. He said, "Thanks to God's grace and to the work of many, we now have vaccines to protect us from COVID-19. He added that vaccines bring hope to end the pandemic, but only if they are available to all and if we collaborate with one another. He said, "Getting vaccinated is a simple yet profound way to care for one another, especially the most vulnerable." Pope Francis then prayed to God that each one of us can make his or her own small gesture of love. Australian National Imams Council Coronavirus COVID-19 Vaccine Fatwa Islamic Verdict. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the world, and may the blessings and peace of Allah be upon His Messenger Muhammad and upon all his family and companions. The Australian Fatwa Council (AFC) researched and discussed the matter of the coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine with the trusted and credible Muslim doctors and medical experts who specialize in medicine, vaccines, and viruses. Hence, the Australian Fatwa Council concluded the following. First, medication is a religious issue and concern, as mentioned by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Make use of medical treatment, for Allah has not made a disease without appointing a remedy for it. Sunan Abi Dawud 3855. Second, based on what was conveyed by the trusted Muslim doctors and medical experts, the vaccine for the coronavirus is permissible according to the Islamic law, as there is no non-religious harm attributed to being vaccinated, nor does it contain any forbidden substances. The vaccine will be considered necessary if there is any possible risk of harm to other humans due to non-vaccination. There is a religious obligation to preserve human life that has been honored by Allah the Almighty, and Allah knows better.